Keep a selection of your favorite beverages chilled and on hand in the EdgeStar 142-can stainless steel beverage cooler. The sleek, modern stainless steel door keeps the refrigerator well insulated so your beverages stay cold. You can store up to 142 12-ounce cans on the glass shelves, which feature holes for improved circulation of cold air. The cooler's 24-inch width fits perfectly into mid-size under-counter spaces and is ideal for kitchens, game rooms, and other entertaining spaces. For more even cooling, the air in the CBR 1501 SLD is fan circulated, which is more effective than cold plate cooling that tends to create a cold spot in the unit. Using the digital controls, the interior temperature can be set between 38 to 50 degrees Fahrenheit. Other features include LED interior lighting, a reversible door, built-in carbon filter, towel bar handle, and a factory-installed lock.
Collectors know that great wine is as much an art form as it is good craftsmanship. But in order for wine to mature to its fullest perfection, it needs the right conditions. How can we keep it that way? Where is there a name we can trust? Introducing the AW181E Deluxe Wine Cooler, an innovative environment control system with a touch of elegance. It's one of the best reviewed and most trusted systems on the market. A wine needs the right temperature to mature properly. If it's too warm, it ages prematurely, losing its flavor. If it's too cold, the cork contracts, letting in oxygen and ruining the wine. The AW181E has thermoelectric cooling, a special compressor-free system which keeps the temperature perfect and prevents any vibration that could also damage your wine. And it uses no harsh coolants or chemicals. It's environment-friendly. The digital display and easy push-button controls let you keep the temperature exactly how you want it. The AW181E is one of the best reviewed wine coolers online. People like that its adjustable sculpted chrome shelves can fit up to 18 bottles and that the LED light adds a touch of elegance, whether for your living area, kitchen, bar, or impressing at a party. The AW181E is one of the most proven and trusted wine temperature control systems on the market. Don't let the elements stop you from crafting your wine to perfection. For dependability and innovation, you can count on NewAir.
Perfect for storing and chilling your favorite beverages and specialty drinks, the Whynter Beverage Refrigerators are a stylish addition to any home, office, or game room. This Whynter BR130SB refrigerator is a freestanding unit that can be set up just about anywhere. The premium appeal of this unit features an exclusive stainless steel trimmed glass door which keeps your beverages organized and easy to find. Also, a soft LED lighting allows you to view the contents while maintaining internal temperatures and increasing energy efficiency. With its powerful compressor system, this unit features fan-forced circulation to maintain an evenly cooled space, ensuring consistent temperatures throughout the interior. With thermostat settings and temperatures that range between 35 degrees Fahrenheit and 65 degrees Fahrenheit, this beverage refrigerator makes sure your drinks are always cold and refreshing. Crafted with functionality and modern designs, the Whynter beverage refrigerators are the ideal choice for compact and efficient beverage display and refrigeration.
I think we can all agree that life is busy and often hectic. So when we're able to pause and enjoy quality time at home for a family game or movie night, we really enjoy it and try our hardest to preserve the moment. We love to have everyone's favorite beverages on hand, and that's when our Zephyr Presrv beverage cooler really comes through. It holds everything from wine to beer, sparkling water, juice, and soda. There's room for a wide variety of beverage sizes, and it includes a full extension top wood rack that's perfect for wine, craft beer, and champagne. Its precise temperature gets as low as 34 degrees, the ideal level for storing soda and beer. It's also extremely quiet. There's no loud humming noise in the background. Sometimes I forget it's even in the room. The 3-color LED lighting gives it a sophisticated touch and lets you set the mood. And if the kids forget to close the door, there's a door open alarm to alert you. The coolers can be located conveniently throughout the house, the family room, master suite, or the home office. With Presrv, we're able to enjoy our home more than ever and truly keep the focus on what really matters, time together as a family. Cheers to that.
Hi, I'm Scott, and this is the Koldfront BBR 900BL, the 80-can built-in beverage refrigerator. Now this unit does have a finished black cabinet as well as a front exhaust, which means it can be used in either built-in or freestanding applications. In addition, the unit does have a reversible glass door, which means it can be hinged on either the right or the left. Now on the inside, the BBR 900BL features 3 adjustable and removable wire shelves, as well as an easy-to-use digital thermostat with a temperature range of 38 to 50 degrees Fahrenheit. Plus, the BBR 900BL features an elegant blue LED interior light. I'm Scott, and this is the Koldfront BBR 900BL, the 80-can built-in beverage refrigerator. Pick one up today. Hi, I'm Scott, and this is the EdgeStar BWC 120 SSLT, the ultra-low temperature beverage cooler. Now, what sets this unit apart from all the others on the market is that it is among the coldest beverage coolers available. This unit will get down to 32 degrees Fahrenheit, keeping your beer, soda, and water ice cold and ready to go whenever you need it. Now, this is a freestanding unit, which just means you need to leave proper ventilation space. Generally, that's about 2 to 3 inches on each side, as well as 3 to 4 inches in the rear. As you can see, this unit does have a glass door with a stainless steel trim, and the door is totally reversible, which means you can change the orientation to whichever is convenient for you. It has a 3.6 cubic foot capacity and adjustable shelves, so you can be sure you can be able to store whatever you need in this beverage cooler. Finally, it has a very cool blue LED interior light. I'm Scott, and this is the EdgeStar BWC 120 SSLT, the ultra-low temperature beverage cooler. Pick one up today.